don't read this, it really works. And since you have read this far, it is impossible for you to stop reading by default. Space. So there was this boy named Teddy, and one day he went to a haunted house and a killer came and strangled him and he was going to die when suddenly the killer revealed that he was Drew Pickles, the gayest man in the universe, and then he raped Teddy going why the crap do people always die in chain letter messages? You probably won't read this chain letter message and will just go to insult pocket roll. Meg, that was swell. So now, if you don't send this to over 9,000 people in 5 seconds, when you go to bed tonight, Bloody Mary will come and she will get ready to kill you, but then she will hear a crash and she will go to investigate and she will turn to find out that Drew Pickles broke through the window, and then he will look at Bloody Mary and will be disgusted at the sight of her and will knock her out going Meg. That was swell. Then he will go to your house and will begin to rape you going this is what you get for not sending that chain letter to over 9,000 people within 5 seconds. I really hope nobody who reads this is a girl or Meg, that was swell. I'm sorry, I just don't want to get raped by Drew Pickles. Well, there's no fucking hiding from me. I'll just rape you right now. You can't fucking hide from me. I will rape you no matter what. You can't hide from Drew Pickles. You thought you could run from Drew Pickles? Can you feel dildos going up your ass? My cat just took a shit, and it smells like shit. Meg, that was super cum slurping, fantastic shit eating, head playing, penis sucking, pussy licking, panty wasting, bed wetting, fire farting, boner bursting, donkey fucking crap gathering, testicle choking, ass crack licking, gay porn watching swell.